Now, your Chris 6 weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Kata, you're right. That food looks delicious. I'll tell you what, especially at this time of the day. Right now it's beautiful along the bayfront. You can see that with the wind blowing at 11 miles an hour. A little more wind tonight, a little more elevated temperatures. We won't see the fog that we've had the last several nights. Today it was reserved for inland areas. The evening forecast calls for us to be down to about 71 at midnight as the winds slowly drop under 10 miles an hour and hold at 5 to 10 through the early morning hours. So again, I don't think fog will be the big problem. It's been all this week in the late night and early morning hours. With this persistent moist flow, though, it'll be muggy and very mild tonight. The front that was a cold front in north central Texas has stalled and is waiting upstream for this front to race over the Rockies and come down. But the main thrust of the cold air is not south, but rather southeast. And so we're going to get just a glancing blow of this front, and it will cool down, but it's not going to be cold by any stretch of the imagination as temperatures finally start to go a little bit more near normal. So a little bit breezy in the morning starting out, keeping the air stirred up and reducing the fog formation. Breezy tomorrow afternoon. Mariners take note of that. Tomorrow night ahead of the front, the winds will lay and we'll see fog once again form on Sunday morning. And this could be pretty bad on Sunday morning before the front comes about noon. Preceding that, there'll be a few light showers in the area, but most of us will not get rainfall, unfortunately, as the drought continues. And a northeasterly wind on Sunday will make it not as warm as it has been. Look at tonight's low, 68 degrees, 72 in Port Aransas, 67 in Alice. Some representative numbers throughout the Chris 6 viewing area and the coastal bend. The highs tomorrow will reach 87 here, but 89 in Robstown and 90 degrees tomorrow in Alice with a south wind most of the day. 81 in Port Aransas, breezy along the coast. Mariners take note of that. It'll also be breezy behind that front on Sunday. So here it is at 6:30 in the morning, mostly cloudy skies. Then the sun comes out. It'll be a nice day to get some stuff done outside in the yard, maybe wash the car. But you better be able to park it inside because on Sunday morning we'll have these isolated showers working through. Notice that the entire region isn't covered in green, so a few places get rain, but most of us will not, hence the terminology isolated showers. And here they are right here. The rainfall amounts where it does rain will generally be 1/10 of an inch or less. Very, very sad to see that. There is another storm, Iota, out here in the Caribbean, and unfortunately this is going to end up being a major hurricane as it slams into Nicaragua and Honduras early next week. So that is not good, nor is a high pressure building over the top of us that will keep us dry here through the middle and end of next week. Reflected in the 7-day forecast, it does lower the temperatures with this front on Sunday at 81. And then lows drop into the 50s to near 60 and highs in the upper 70s, a little bit better to near 80 degrees.